Hello everyone, very warm welcome to Venkatvarma Chemistry channel. I hope all are doing well. In this session we are going to discuss vacuum distillation. This is another episode of basic principles and techniques. Previous session we learned about simple distillation. In this session we are going to discuss vacuum distillation. Now let's move on our session. Vacuum distillation. The vacuum distillation, the compounds which decompose at temperature below their boiling points cannot be purified by distillation under ordinary atmospheric pressure. The compounds which decompose at temperature below their boiling points cannot be purified by distillation under ordinary atmospheric pressure. The glycerin is one such compound which decomposes at its boiling point. The best example for the vacuum distillation is glycerin. Generally, the glycerin, its boiling point is, the normal boiling point is 290 degrees Celsius. At 290 degrees Celsius, it decomposes. So have a look for experiment. See, look at the diagram. See, I am taking the glycerol mixture in round bottom flask. When heated, the pure glycerol receive in the flask. So how it is possible? See, in this experiment, the glycerol mixture in round bottom flask, then heated, the pressure is reduced by vacuum pump. The pressure is reduced by vacuum pump with the help of vacuum pump, and the distillation is carried out at lower temperature below their boiling point. Okay, the distillation is carried out at a lower temperature as the glycerol can be distilled at 180 degrees Celsius. The glycerin distilled at 180 degrees Celsius under the pressure of 10 to 12 mm of Hg. The pressure is 10 to 12 mm of Hg. What is the normal boiling point of glycerol? The normal boiling point of glycerol is 290 degrees Celsius. When using pressure is decreased by the help of vacuum pump. Its boiling point is 180 degrees Celsius. It decomposes. It can distill at 180 degrees Celsius. It distill at 290. It decomposes. By using pressure, the boiling point is decreased. See, sugar cane or cane sugar can also be concentrated by this method. This technique can be used to separate glycerol from spent lye in soap industry. Once again, look at for this. The pressure is reduced by suction pump or vacuum pump, and the distillation is carried out at lower temperature. Glycerin can be distilled at 180 degrees Celsius under the pressure of 10 to 12 mm. Okay, so have a look for, see, the distillation under reduced pressure is known as vacuum distillation. Compounds which decompose temperature below their boiling point cannot be distilled. At atmospheric pressure, on reducing the external pressure, the liquid boils at a lower temperature. The example of vacuum distillation: glycerin can be distilled at 180 degrees Celsius. Its normal boiling point is 290 degrees Celsius at low pressure. Separation of glycerol from spent lye in soap industry. Look at, for example, glycerol can be distilled at 180 degrees Celsius at lower pressure. Separation of glycerol from spent lye in soap industry. I hope like this video. Don't forget to share your friends. Don't forget to give like. If you find this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe for insightful lectures. Thanks for watching.